Hello guys and welcome back.
Hi guys, welcome back.
I'm Mr. D.
I am Zoe.
Today we unboxing a solar power animal repellent from Parkside.
Yeah.
So this is a device that is solar powered. It has 5 settings. You can see that it has a 360 repellent system. You can see that you can basically repel a lot of different species of animals. And let's go to the unboxing. Yep. So let's show you what we have in the box. So it's including a USB-C charger. In the winter, if you don't have enough sun, so you can still use the device. It includes a bracket that you can install to keep the device up away from the ground. The device says that it's IP rated, so you can leave it in the rain. Under here, because we saw a video that someone was trying to make it work, before you do what Zoe does,
Oh yeah.
under here there is 4 screws that you undo, and you insert the 3 batteries that they provided. Don't put alkaline batteries, they have rechargeable batteries, and the USB-C down here.
You just pull this.
That you can charge the device.
And
So we can insert the leg down. Just try to not cross thread the thing when it's first time. So let's install it. So here are the settings. You can adjust from 1 to 5. There is settings from 1 up to 3 that they are only sound, that they repel animals that they act to the sound. The channel 4 is for the light, so basically can scare an animal with the strobe light, and the channel 5 is all of them with the light. So we're gonna put that. We're gonna put the sensitivity on maximum for now, but you can always adjust it.
that.
So we're gonna put it on number 5, and now we're gonna put it in place. And I'm gonna show you. As you see, all around it has switches. This is the way you turn on the device. And I don't know if Zoe wants to remove the film from the solar panel.
Oh, hold the device.
Okay, so how you activate the device? We put it on number 5, okay? So you turn on the device.
Made a sound. Ooh.
And if Zoe wants to come down and show. So you can see now, this is infrared sensors that they will detect animal, a live animal, and they will beep, and after a while it's gonna stop completely and until it sees something else.
Oh, that noise is high. So the programs are 0 is no function is active. Number 1 scares off pigeons, dogs and wild animals. Program 2 scares off cats, dogs, rodents, birds, wild animals and foxes. Program number 3 scares off dogs, cats, rodents and birds. Program number 4 is just the flashing light. And program number 5 combines all the programs together.
So this is the animal repellent device, very useful, I believe. The quality of the plastic is as normal plastic, so it's not the most durable, but it's IP waterproof, so it's very good. I'm hiding Zoe.
Yes, he is. Again.
So we saw the settings, so you can do a set for specific animals. You can see, you can choose the species of animals you want to repel. And I believe it's a very good device overall. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And tell us what video you want us to make for the next device, and what is your favorite Parkside product you want us to review.
Thank you very much for watching.
Thank you very much for watching.
Like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.